Alright guys, it is day 16 and today we are going to bike on that road. You can already hear it, it's pretty loud. Bunch of huge trucks and it's not going to be a fun bicycle ride, but as soon as we get to Fernie, that's the next big city. It's not that far, it's like 35 kilometers or something. It's crazy loud here. As soon as we get to Fernie, we're gonna check for a U-Haul, so we'll go to the border, come back to Fernie, and then U-Haul up to Calgary, as we did last year to San Francisco. But yeah, let's hope we'll find a U-Haul there. Also, my air mattress broke again, so see to Summit. I'm gonna try to send it back when I get home, but I'm kind of disappointed. I spent a lot of money on that, and I'm just happy I brought the extra thermarest we bought in Banff. So I carried 2 all the time, but it's totally worth it now because it's not nice sleeping on a flat air mattress when it's cold outside and kind of wet. No, so alright, let's get biking. Enough talking for now.
I saw a butterfly yesterday, came by fluttering, then it flew away. It had me reminiscing on the better days, coming by on the fly to communicate. Like, where did those childhood feelings go, where I wasn't dealing with a bunch of animals?
Alright, so we arrived at the campground in Fernie, and we decided that we won't continue to the border by bike because I reactivated my injury from last year, my knee problem. So this is our final destination by bike. We will be staying here for a couple of days because our flight doesn't leave for like another 10 days or something, and that means we'll be here in Fernie for some time, mountain biking or hiking or something like that. Something that doesn't make any more problems with my knee. Yeah. Also, we saw Boston Pizza on the way in here, so that'll be a good 4 days. But then also we went to stop at a U-Haul place, and we're gonna do the same strategy as we did last year, where we take a U-Haul from our last bike destination to our final destination where we're gonna fly home from. So that will be Calgary, and yeah, that's about 350 kilometers. By U-Haul that'll take like 3-4 hours, so that's totally fine.
I saw a butterfly yesterday, came by fluttering, then it flew away. It had me reminiscing on the better days, coming by on the fly to communicate. Like, where did those childhood feelings go, where I wasn't dealing with a bunch of animals, and everyone looked out for one another, gave away my Lunchable if someone looked hungry.
So I followed my own advice and hired my saddle up, and like this, the knee pain was gone. Crazy, I have no idea how. We stopped, and I actually hired it yesterday. Then the knee pain came, we stopped, and then it was gone like this. So no knee pain anymore, but we're still not gonna make it to the border. It would be way too stressful because it would be 200 kilometers in 4 days because we'd have to go 100 kilometers to the border and then 100 back. We booked a U-Haul on Saturday, so yeah, it's fine like it is. So for tomorrow I'll pick up some trails, and then yeah, there are enough mountains here and with trails and to hike and all that, so I think I'll have enough to do for the next 4 days. And also there's this nice river here, so might as well just go for a swim. It's a little bit cold, but people are swimming back there, so it shouldn't be such a little weakling and go in the water. Alright guys, yeah, I admit it, it's too late again. It's already dark. But we ended the bike tour officially today, and tomorrow will be some day trips and all that around Fernie, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.